In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload local files to Spotify. By the end, you'll be able to play your own music files right alongside your streaming tracks in the Spotify desktop app. Start by opening the Spotify desktop app on your computer. This process won't work in the web player because local file access requires the desktop application. If you don't have it installed yet, grab it from Spotify's official site, install it, and sign in. Once you're in the app, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon, then choose Settings. This is where Spotify keeps the controls for local file support. Scroll down until you find the Local Files section and switch on Show Local Files. Turning this on doesn't upload your music to the cloud. It simply tells Spotify to read music files stored on your computer and make them available in your library on this device. With the feature enabled, you'll see a section labeled Show Songs From. Click Add a Source. Navigate to the folder on your computer that contains your music files. Many people keep a dedicated music or MP3s folder, and select it. You can add more than one folder if your collection is spread out. Spotify will scan that location and index compatible audio files. For best results, keep your files organized and properly tagged with artist, album, and track names. Clean file names and embedded artwork make everything look better in your library. If you later move or rename the folder, you may need to come back here and add the new location so Spotify can find the tracks again. Now head to your library. You'll see a section called Local Files, and inside it, the tracks Spotify just discovered. Click any song to start playing. You can sort by title, artist, or album, search within Local Files, and even add these tracks to your playlists. This is great for niche recordings, live sets, or personal projects that aren't available on streaming. Remember, these files live on your computer. They won't appear on other devices unless you also add the same source folders there. If something doesn't show up, double-check that Show Local Files is still on. Confirm the folder you selected actually contains supported audio files, and try restarting the app so it can rescan. Keeping your music in one stable folder avoids broken links and missing tracks. That's it. You've added your own music to Spotify's desktop app and can play it right from your library under Local Files, just like the rest of your music. Enjoy listening.